How to fix iPhone won't download apps again. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the settings application on your device first. Tap on cellular and then on cellular data options and then on data mode and make sure low data mode is not selected. Go back to settings and find the app store option there and tap on that. Under automatic downloads, toggle on the button for app downloads. Go back and now tap on your name banner. Scroll down and sign yourself out of your device by tapping on the sign out option. Enter your password and then tap on turn off. Now tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. If it is still not fixed in settings again, disable the Wi-Fi and cellular data and then tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Shutdown, slide to Power Off and wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before restarting your device. After restarting, enable the Wi-Fi or cellular on your device again, and by now your problem should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.